Señorita, may I ask a question? ¿Puedes recomendarme un bien restaurante? Actually, señorita, I'm hablando poco por favor en español, señorita. Where is a famoso restaurant here?
Asa?
Famous restaurante. Actually, I'm Española. You speak English, señorita?
Española?
Yeah. Where is your famous restaurante? Actually, I'm a vacation here. And I want to go famous restaurante. Yeah.
You are Espanyol.
Actually, if you want to eat, dito ay
señorita.
Sa seaside na ay Manginasal.
Señorita, no entiende Bisaya ni señorita. Do you speak English, señorita? English only, English. I want to go famous restaurante.
If you want to go a famous restaurant, you should go there in
SMC side.
SMC side. So, do you have any recommendations? What is the good food there?
Jollibee. Manginasal.
No, good food. Yeah. Chowking? Food, famous.
There's a lot.
Come again, señorita?
There's a lot of good restaurants
Can
there.
you
You
speak
can
English? Basta dito katungkon ba?
Famous food, delicious food.
Katungkon, chili ba? Amput. Hello.
Okay.
You ask.
Sige, salamat ka ninyo. Adto na ko ha.
Yo.